myself Dr. Abhilasha Singh, Medical Officer RV, posted in under Jalon. I am very thankful for the MD Seth Hamar Japaria School Urai for giving me a chance to express my views on this pandemic COVID-19. As we all know, this second wave of COVID-19 has flourished a lot of sorrow, grief around our lives because everyone has lost some of our near and dear ones in this pandemic. Now I just want to share some important measures that we must take in this pandemic. Like we all must use mask whenever we go out, and if we have any symptoms of any viral symptoms, fevers, sneezing, coughing, so we must use mask at home also. Secondly, we must always keep social distancing with others whenever we go out. We must not go in crowds. And most important is that without any reason, we must not go out. Stay at home, stay safe. This is the main thing. We must wash our hands with soap and water regularly. Very important, whenever we touch any surface which is being touched by other persons, we must always wash our hand. If we are in a place where we are not having soap and water, so we must use sanitizers regularly. Then again, one more thing to be noted here is that whenever we see any symptoms in ourselves, like any fever, coughing, sneezing, from the very first day, the first step is that we must isolate ourselves from the other family members. This thing will make the other family members protected, plus the persons who are living in our surroundings, they will also be protected from our infection. We must get ourselves tested for the COVID infection and must not wait for the report. We must follow all the protocols given for the COVID patients, like living in isolation, taking warm water regularly, doing gargling with lukewarm water added with turmeric and salt. And we must take steam also regularly, because if any virus enters our nose, mouth, so the steam kills the virus. So these are some measures. We must drink kala also, take Chyawanprash which increase our immunity, and healthy food. We must take fruits which are rich in vitamin C. We must take sunlight which gives vitamin D to us, and healthy food. We must not eat food items that are being kept for a long time. We must not eat cold drinks and other things that are kept in fridge and all. These are the measures which will make us protect from these infections. Now, one thing. Why are you showing the fingers? One thing more important, I think the most important thing is that we must have the positive attitude towards everything. We know a famous law given by Charles Darwin, survival of the fittest, which is most seen in the present condition. These days, only those are surviving, those are staying fit, who are healthy, who are making themselves fit. So, how we must be fit? We can be fit if we do proper yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, other yoga exercises, and healthy food eating habits. So a positive approach towards everything will make ourselves safe from all these conditions. If someone is dying in our neighborhood, in our family, it makes us feeling grief and sorrow, but then also we must have a positive approach towards all these things. Means what the condition is today will not be tomorrow. Tomorrow the conditions will be good also. If today the conditions are bad, they will improve tomorrow. And when the conditions will improve, one thing we must take in our mind, that all these measures, the protective measures we are taking today, we will have to take these measures in our future also, because the second wave has arrived, the third is also coming to arrive, as all the research persons are saying, and they are also saying that this wave is the third wave is more infectious for the children, and so we have to protect our children also from this wave. We have to educate them with all these safety measures and make them stay inside the home and continue their studies and all the indoor activities. We must engage them also so that they must not feel themselves depressed, lonely. We have to encourage them. And finally, I just want to say we have positive thinking towards all the things, because most of the person they get cured from all these situations at home only. So have a positive approach, have good thinking, and what is today will improve tomorrow. Thank you.